Europe in December is truly a special experience. The continent transforms into a winter wonderland, where centuries-old cities are draped in twinkling lights, and the air is filled with the promise of celebration. Every corner seems to sparkle with anticipation, and the festive spirit is impossible to ignore. Imagine strolling through Christmas markets in Germany, the scent of gingerbread and mulled wine in the air. Wooden stalls overflow with handmade ornaments, and laughter echoes as friends gather to share holiday treats. The warmth of a spiced drink in your hands contrasts with the crisp winter air, creating memories that linger long after you leave. The twinkling lights of Paris, festive decorations in London, this season is pure magic. Iconic landmarks glow against the night sky, and bustling streets are alive with music, shopping, and joy. Whether you're wandering along the Seine or marveling at window displays, the holiday atmosphere is enchanting. But with the beauty comes unpredictability. Winter weather can disrupt even the best-laid travel plans. Snowstorms and icy conditions can appear suddenly, turning smooth journeys into unexpected adventures. Airports bustle with travelers hoping for clear skies, while departure boards flicker with updates. Flying in December means being ready for sudden changes. Sunny mornings can turn into snowy afternoons, affecting flights across the continent. Even a light dusting of snow can cause delays, reroutes, or cancellations, making flexibility your best travel companion. Don't cancel your trip. Just plan ahead and be ready for delays. Check your flight status regularly, and keep essentials like snacks, chargers, and entertainment within reach. A little patience goes a long way when winter weather is in charge. A little preparation can make a huge difference. Pack extra layers, keep your travel documents handy, and consider travel insurance for peace of mind. Being organized helps you stay calm, even if plans change at the last minute. This guide will help you navigate your December journey to Europe with confidence. We'll share tips for staying informed, comfortable, and ready for anything the season throws your way. We'll cover what weather to expect, why delays happen, and how to adapt when things don't go as planned. Understanding the patterns of European winter weather can help you anticipate challenges before they arise. And we'll show you how to stay comfortable and informed, turning airport waits into opportunities to relax, recharge, and even enjoy the journey. Sometimes a delay is the perfect chance to slow down and savor the moment. Think of this as your personal Travel Safe Skies handbook. With the right knowledge, you can transform uncertainty into adventure and make the most of every moment. With the right mindset and smart strategies, you can handle any travel hiccup. Embrace the unexpected, and you'll find that even small setbacks can lead to memorable stories and new friendships. A winter trip to Europe is an adventure, sometimes with unexpected turns. The journey itself becomes part of the story, as you watch snowflakes drift past train windows or see cities blanketed in white from above. By being prepared, you ensure a small delay doesn't ruin your holiday spirit. Instead, you can use these moments to connect with fellow travelers, share a laugh, or simply enjoy a warm drink while you wait. Let's turn potential travel stress into a smooth, enjoyable part of your journey. With a positive attitude and a bit of flexibility, you'll find joy in the unexpected and make the most of every experience. Your magical European winter wonderland is waiting. Let's make sure you get there safely and happily, ready to embrace every magical moment that December in Europe has to offer. December weather in Europe is famously unpredictable, and it can vary wildly from one country to the next, even from one city to another. As the continent stretches from the chilly Arctic Circle down to the sun-kissed Mediterranean, travelers can experience a remarkable range of conditions, sometimes all in a single trip. In southern destinations like Spain, Portugal, or southern Italy, December often brings mild temperatures and frequent rain showers. You might find yourself walking off the plane into a gentle drizzle, with locals carrying umbrellas and the air feeling damp but not too cold. These regions rarely see snow, but the rain can be persistent, so waterproof jackets and shoes are a must. Meanwhile, northern and central Europe, think Germany, Scandinavia, or the Alps, are a different story altogether. Here, December means cold winds, frequent snowfall, and icy conditions. Airports in these regions are often blanketed in snow, and travelers bundle up in heavy coats, hats, and gloves as they navigate frosty terminals and slippery walkways. Days are noticeably short, with the sun setting early in the afternoon. Weather can shift quickly. One moment it's calm, the next a sudden snow squall or rainstorm sweeps through, making it essential to stay alert and flexible. This incredible variety is part of Europe's winter charm, but it also means you must check the forecast for your specific city or region before you travel. Don't assume the weather in Paris will be the same as in Rome or Berlin. Winter weather can have a major impact on air travel. Snow, fog, and ice can slow down or even halt airport operations, leading to delays and cancellations. Crews work hard to keep runways clear and planes de-iced, but sometimes nature wins out. A snowstorm at a major hub like Heathrow or Frankfurt doesn't just affect local flights. It can ripple across the continent, causing delays and disruptions far beyond the storm's reach. Travelers may find themselves waiting in crowded terminals as airlines scramble to adjust schedules. Even if your own airport is clear and calm, delays elsewhere can still impact your journey. A single weather event can have a domino effect, so always keep an eye on your flight status. So, expect the unexpected. Hope for clear skies, but always be prepared for storms, sudden changes, or last-minute adjustments to your plans. Understanding how weather can affect your trip helps you stay flexible and calm. A positive attitude and a little patience go a long way when plans change. Preparation is key. Pack warm clothing, check your airline's policies, and give yourself extra time to get to and from the airport. Patience and flexibility are your best tools for navigating Europe's beautiful but sometimes challenging winter season. Stay informed, stay prepared, and you'll travel smarter, ready to enjoy all the magic Europe has to offer in December, no matter what the weather brings. Snow is a top culprit for winter flight delays. Heavy snow can halt airport operations, requiring constant plowing and sometimes even temporary closures. Ice is another major issue. Planes must be de-iced before takeoff, which adds time and can create long lines. Fog silently disrupts schedules by reducing visibility, forcing airports to slow down takeoffs and landings. Sometimes, operations stop entirely until conditions improve. Strong winter storms bring high winds and turbulence, making landings and takeoffs risky. Crosswinds can force airports to change runways or pause flights. All these factors combine to make winter the most challenging season for air travel. Delays are often about safety, not inconvenience. Understanding these causes helps you manage expectations. Stay patient. Safety always comes first. The skies will clear, and your journey will continue. Become a weather watcher before your trip. Check your destination's forecast a week in advance. Look for snow, ice, or fog, not just temperature. Use a reliable weather app for detailed hour-by-hour updates. On travel day, check your flight status before leaving home. Airline apps and websites offer real-time updates. Sign up for text or email alerts from your airline for instant notifications. At the airport, keep monitoring your flight via the airline app or flight tracking tools like FlightAware. If your plane is delayed elsewhere, you'll know before it's announced. Be patient and polite with airline staff. They're your best source for official info. Multiple sources keep you informed and help you make smart decisions. Staying updated means less stress and more control. Information is your best travel companion. Pack your carry-on as a delay survival kit. Keep essentials, medications, passport, wallet, phone, keys within reach. If you're delayed or rerouted, you'll have what you need. Pack a warm layer, cozy socks, and a scarf for chilly airports. Bring a travel pillow and eye mask for rest. Download entertainment, movies, podcasts, books before you leave. Pack snacks and a reusable water bottle. Airport food can be expensive or unavailable late at night. Bring a fully charged power bank and all charging cables. Don't rely on finding outlets in crowded terminals. Being self-sufficient means you're ready for anything. Smart packing turns delays into manageable moments. Your smartphone is your travel co-pilot. Download your airline's app for real-time updates and easy rebooking. Use flight tracking apps like FlightAware or Flight Radar 24 to see your plane's status. Get a detailed weather app for radar and storm tracking. Communication apps like WhatsApp or Skype keep you connected with loved ones. Load up entertainment apps with offline content. These digital tools keep you informed, entertained, and in control. A well-prepared phone can turn a delay into downtime. A delay doesn't have to ruin your day. Your attitude makes all the difference. Walk the terminal to stretch your legs and explore. Find a quiet spot away from the crowds to relax with your snacks and entertainment. Use the time to charge devices, catch up on messages, or read. Don't spend the whole time on your screen. People watch or chat with fellow travelers. If the delay is long, consider paying for lounge access for extra comfort, snacks, and Wi-Fi. Lounges can be a worthwhile investment for long waits. Treat the delay as unexpected downtime, a chance to rest or discover something new. Stay positive and flexible. Make the best of the situation, and the time will pass more quickly. Delays can be part of the adventure. Your mindset is your most valuable travel tool. The way you approach challenges and unexpected changes can shape your entire travel experience. When you set out on a journey, remember that your attitude is just as important as your passport or your ticket. It's normal to feel frustrated by delays, long lines, or sudden changes, but focus on what you can control, your reaction. Instead of letting stress take over, pause and remind yourself that you have the power to choose how you respond. Take deep breaths, practice mindfulness, and remember, this is temporary. A few moments of calm can help you reset and see things from a new perspective. Even a short meditation or mindful breathing exercise can make a big difference. Flexibility is key. Plans may change, but that's part of the adventure. Sometimes the best stories come from the unexpected twists and turns along the way. Embrace the unknown and look for opportunities in every situation. Sometimes a delay leads to unexpected discoveries or new friends. Use this time to connect with fellow travelers, share stories, or simply enjoy a moment of laughter together. These small interactions can turn a frustrating wait into a memorable experience. Safety is always the top priority. Better to wait on the ground than risk flying in bad weather. Remember, delays are often for your protection, and patience during these times is a sign of wisdom. Trust the professionals making decisions for your safety. Pilots, crew, and ground staff are working hard behind the scenes to ensure you reach your destination safely, even if it takes a little longer than planned. Stay aware of your belongings and take care of your health. Hydrate and eat well. Keeping your body nourished and your mind alert will help you handle any situation with more ease. Be kind to airline staff. They're doing their best under pressure. A smile or a thank you can brighten someone's day and may even help you get the assistance you need more quickly. Politeness goes a long way in getting help. Treating others with respect and patience can open doors and create a more positive atmosphere for everyone. Remember, everyone is in this together. Each traveler has their own story and their own destination, but you're all sharing this moment. A little empathy can go a long way. A calm, positive attitude makes the journey smoother. Find ways to relax, whether it's reading, listening to music, or simply people watching. Kindness and patience are your best travel companions. With the right mindset, every journey, no matter how unpredictable, can become a rewarding adventure. Your December trip to Europe is about to begin, challenges and all. You're now equipped to handle winter travel with confidence and calm. Delays are just brief pauses, not roadblocks. Embrace the journey, knowing safety comes first. Your positive attitude will make every moment count. The magic of Europe awaits. Don't let a delay overshadow it. Travel prepared, stay flexible, and enjoy every festive moment. Happy travels! Your adventure is just beginning.